Buying property abroad can be stressful, but in Portugal, it doesn't have to be. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you can make confident decisions, avoid common mistakes, and move forward knowing exactly what to expect. Before anything else, engage a qualified independent lawyer. Think of your lawyer as your safeguard, the person who makes sure every detail is handled correctly from the very beginning. They will guide you through each step, conduct due diligence, review contracts, and verify that property title is clear. At Get Properties, we work alongside trusted legal partners to make sure every transaction is fully compliant and that your interests are protected from start to finish. Having the right legal support early on sets the tone for a smooth and secure process. The next step is obtaining your Portuguese tax number, known as a NIF. You can get it directly from a local tax office if you're in Portugal. Your lawyer or legal representative can get it for you if you're abroad. Think of it as your entry key, as it's required for almost every financial and legal transaction you'll make in Portugal. Now comes the part most people enjoy, the property search. This is where the goals shape your process. Are you buying for lifestyle, investment, or mix of both? At Get Properties, we don't just offer listings, we conduct a tailored search for each client's needs. Whether you're drawn to Lisbon's urban rhythm or the calm of the Algarve, we identify properties that match your goals and priorities. We help you evaluate not just price, but potential rental yields, long-term value, and location dynamics. Because the best investment balances both heart and reason. Once you've found the right property, it's time to make an offer. If accepted, your lawyer prepares a promissory contract, which is a document outlining key items like the timeline, the deposit, and any conditions agreed upon. It's the stage where good preparation pays off. Both parties are legally protected and expectations are crystal clear before the final deed is signed. The next step is what every buyer looks forward to, signing the final deed. This takes place at a notary's office. At that moment, ownership officially transfers to you. Your lawyer will make sure all legal and financial obligations are met and that taxes and fees are properly settled. It's the point where your investment becomes your property. Finally, you will register the property within the local land registry. This step formalizes your ownership and protects your legal rights. Once registered, you are officially a property owner in Portugal. The process involves several essential steps, and at Get Properties, our team supports clients through each stage, combining local insight with personal guidance. The goal is simple: to make your property purchase in Portugal smooth, transparent, and secure. If you'd like to explore the market or receive tailored advice for your goals, visit getproperties.com now. We can help you take the next step towards owning your home in Portugal.